Privet! What's the greatest Russian synth? It's the Polivoks, and Erica Synths has a few products that feature the Polivoks filter. And in this video we're going to take a look at that Polivoks filter. I have right in front of me a Polivoks Russian original synthesizer, and it's the synthesizer I think that is the most angry sounding synth of all. If you know a more angry sounding synth, please let me know in the comments, but I think the Polivoks is #1 angry sounding synth. And Erica Synths has the Polivoks filter, and I must say it captures the spirit of the Polivoks sound really well. A lot of the flavor of a synthesizer is in the filter, and it's a very distinct filter. And I think Erica Synths really hit a nail with the Polivoks VCF. Let's have a listen. Let's put no modulation on the filter, because one of the nice things is that you can modulate the filter with the modulators and with noise and stuff, so that's really nice to have those features. And you can do it on the cutoff filter because you have 2 CV inputs. You can route different things to the cutoff filter. Let's try to kind of a little bit brighter. I have a pretty similar sound. So let's have a play with the filter. One thing I must mention, the Polivoks filter on the original one, it has like a sweet spot that is very narrow. So if you have a look, fully open, fully almost, yeah, pretty close. And then there's nothing. Like from 2.5 to infinite, there's like nothing. Past the 2, and then, yeah, so it's pretty narrow. It's less narrow on the Polivoks filter from Erica Synths, and you can really like that because you have much more control when you're tweaking the knob. So I think that's pretty positive, because on the original Polivoks it's limiting in the resolution actually. Because you really need to be very careful. Let's bring in some noise. Actually, I would prefer maybe, let's see, I have some other noise here. White noise, let's make it. Makes it a bit. When we take like a square wave, let's see. Let's hold this. Let's play around. Let's put it on bandpass. You can't distinguish, almost you can't distinguish which one is the actual Polivoks and which one is the Erica Synths VCF. So if you run these So if you run them together, it is very apparent that they share so much the same sound. And let's take a look at the controls of the Erica Synths Black Polivoks VCF. You have a really big, nice cutoff filter. I like good control, and a huge knob is, in my opinion, so pleasant to tweak. Below the knob you have a band pass and a low pass switch, so you switch between the two filters, the band pass or the low pass, just like on a Polivoks. Then you got the in level, where you can add some level. You got the resonance, you got two CV levels, and then you got the input where the sound goes, the CV1 and CV2 in, and then you got the audio out. And that's pretty basic, but it does what it does, and it really does it well, and that is giving you that Polivoks flavor. So let's take a look at the resonance, because with an original Polivoks that resonance really goes out of hand quickly. So very resonant filter. Slight tweaks, and it's really oscillating, really resonant, and then it goes totally nuts. And almost so that will blow speakers apart, because you go from manageable to totally uncontrolled volume times 3 sound burst with that filter. Let's take a look at the Erica Synths. Really nice, kind of the same flavor. Really resonating, that filter. Really nice sounding, really resonant. Little bit more manageable. You feel it coming. And on the Erica Synths, I feel that it's a little bit more contained. Of course, so much amplification because of the self-oscillating. It overdrives the inputs on the different devices, so that also kind of The sound is shaped because of internal distortion within different circuits, and the Polivoks goes into a Polivoks VCA. So automatically that sounds different than when a Polivoks VCF goes into a Moog matriarch, and yeah, that of course also shapes the sound. So is it like a full Polivoks synthesizer if you only have that filter? No, but you have that flavor in your hands. If you want the full experience of like an old, unpredictable tank of a synthesizer that has no MIDI, no CV, the most crappy keyboard that you can imagine. It's actually pretty funny to think this is that bad, but it doesn't fall apart. It's worse than a children's toy. The rest is built as a tank. It's an amazing synthesizer. It's so aggressive, so raw, so angry sounding. The bass is earth-shattering. This is just only one oscillator. I can add a second one. Amazing. And let's try to have a nice having really a lot of fun with both the Erica Black Polivoks VCF and of course the original Polivoks. What do you think? I think if you really want to nail that Polivoks sound, the Erica Synths filter gets you really close. It gets you that flavor, but I don't think you can 100% fully replicate only by using that VCF the sound of a real Polivoks synthesizer, but it really gives you that flavor. So personally, I think that filter is so nice. If you have like a really bassy patch and you use that filter, you can really make it sound dirty. If you want a really smooth sounding, pretty filter that resonates and is precise and gives you that godly aura, then I don't think the Erica Synths Polivoks VCF is for you, because the original is dirty and aggressive. The Erica Synths Black Polivoks VCF is also angry and it bites. If you're looking for an aggressive industrial sound, for that raw power, then I think the Erica Synths Black Polivoks VCF is an amazing filter that will get you the sound you're looking for. If you want to touch and feel and have the full experience, just buy a real Polivoks. They're a little bit harder to find, but they're out there. They're not that extremely expensive, but they're not cheap either. So it's an old synthesizer, it's full of character, I don't think I will ever, maybe someday I will buy a MIDI-fied Polivoks. I don't want to change the way this synthesizer works because you're limited and limitations create interesting things. On my album Spirits of Angst and Despair from my Darkvolt project, I have a song and it's called The Shadow of Death, and I use mainly the Polivoks to create that bass sound, and I would say check it out. Let me know in the comments what you think. I will link it in the description. I think it has so much character. I also have a Patreon page where you can download some samples I made with the Polivoks and the black Polivoks VCF from Erica Synths. If you want a full overview of the patch I made, I have exclusive videos on my Patreon that are more in depth than on the regular channel. And yeah, please join me there. You really support the channel by doing so. I will also have some sound packs, some samples on there from my videos. So please join my Patreon. So my conclusion is that the black Polivoks VCF is an amazing addition to your modular system if you're looking for that really angry, aggressive Polivoks sound. If you want a Polivoks, buy a Polivoks. But if you want that flavor or you just want a really nasty sounding, amazing filter, go for the black Polivoks VCF because it gives you that flavor. I would highly recommend the black Polivoks VCF from Erica Synths. It's also an amazing build. I wanted a Polivoks. I eventually bought a Polivoks and then I was like, I want to use it in my modular system. And the best way you can do that is by going for like the Erica Synths. I put the link in the description, an affiliate link, so if you follow that link it will not cost you anything more, but the channel gets a little percentage, and yeah, that way you really support the channel. Also have a Patreon, so if you go over to my Patreon, become a Patreon, you will tremendously support the channel. I can keep on doing these videos and you can watch some more in-depth exclusive Patreon exclusive videos and download some samples. Hope to see you there. If you want to have a look at my other projects, I have links in the description. Check it out, let me know what you think. I would say thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.